Introducing the all-new LCFPM Mini Pendant Light from Westgate. This 5-inch mini pan pendant blends clean design with customizable lighting. Available in matte black or white for a clean, modern aesthetic. 10 watts of power with 700 lumens of brightness. All in a compact 5-inch pan, ideal for tight spaces with minimal visual clutter. Easily toggle between 2700 to 5000 K with 5-in-1 CCT flexibility. 4.5-foot pre-installed, adjustable cord, ready to hang, right out of the box. Easily customize the hanging height by loosening the locking screw and setting the cord to your desired length. The LCFPM features a matching design to the LCFP 20-inch Pan Pendant Light and the LCFP wall sconce, creating a cohesive look across your lighting setup. Upgrade to stylish simplicity with the Westgate LCFPM 5-inch Mini Pendant Light, where design meets versatility. To learn more, scan the QR code on screen or search LCFPM on westgatemfg.com.